Got the Wolverine installed on the AMD-65, so let's see how this sounds. I'll start off by shooting paper so you can hear 100% the suppressor and no steel getting hit. All right, and let's try a few rounds on steel. All right, sounds pretty good. Let me crack one of those ears off. This is not going to be hearing safe, supersonic ammunition, but I just want to get an idea of how it sounds. Really not bad at all. So far it's running pretty good. Let's pick up that rate of fire a little bit and see how it does.